have news coming in from the entertainment industry. Vijay Deverakonda, a popular filmmaker, is speaking out about the negative publicity that he claims he keeps receiving as far as his films are concerned. Vijay Deverakonda said that these kind of negative campaigns are actually organized and they are meant to target him and sometimes other people of the film fraternity as well. Now, Vijay was basically saying about, quote, blocking the ratings for Chiranjeevi's film, and he was saying that if this can happen to mega star as well, then this is now out in open. Joining us now again is India Today's Apurva Jayachandran. Apurva, do tell us what exactly is the issue and what is Vijay talking about?
But in fact, if you see, this is regarding the upcoming film for megastar Chiranjeevi. There's already been a controversy that has been brewing on regarding, this film and the negative kind of, comments and certification that is going on. In fact, if you see this clipping that Vijay Deverakonda has shared, taking to platform X, this is the clipping wherein that particular clipping shows that the comments have been, switched off because of the kind of abusive language and the kind of negative commenting that has been going on in this. And in fact, he also goes on and very strongly says that if these kind of such events can happen for megastar Chiranjeevi, then what about the rest of the actors here? In fact, he also draws comparison to his much touted film there, Dear
Right.
Comrade, in which he had also received such similar like comments as well.
Right.
And Vijay Deverakonda draws these comparisons, saying that if such a renowned actor
Right.
such as Chiranjeevi himself can be subjected to this kind of behavior, then
Absolutely.
what about the rest of us?
Thank you very much, Apurva.